Thanks for joining in and sharing our adventures through this great land and this beautiful state. We want to bring you along with us to show the camping sites one site at a time and encourage others to enjoy life's little things like waterfalls, nature, wildlife, and the simple things in life. And remember to simply live. Living simple, living life to the fullest.
Good morning. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, thank you for watching. If you find the content in this video helpful and you like it, like, subscribe, and share. This video is on our campsite here. We are at Piney Bay campground just off Interstate 40. Let me pan around and show you at a distance what these campground looks like and the elevation that it has on the hill where they've set this campground. This is a beautiful little campground just off of Interstate 40 in Lamar, Arkansas. This campsite is B1. When you get to this campsite, you'll see that this site is uphill. Just about all these are, because they are on a hill. So when you're backing in, it does make it a little difficult, but not bad. This is our campsite. They are blacktop back ends. As you can see, these are wide enough to park your camper. And on this side, you do have extra back parking for your vehicle if you got a long enough rig. Tent spot, picnic table, pole for your lantern, fire ring with the small grill on it. And it is wooded everywhere and shaded. Excellent for the heat. We do have some cell phone signal here. This site does have water and electric, no sewer. This is a COE. We got here in the night, and these are fairly level. Not perfectly level, but they are level enough that if you get here at night and you don't want to level, you can do it the next morning. These sites, if you notice, they go all the way down the hill and down and around. They've got lakefront, and they've got some campsites up in the woods back here behind us. Some of them has electric only, some has water and electric. This is the B sites. They have water and electric. And you can hear all different types of birds. I think this is actually like a bird sanctuary, but I'm not real sure about it. The pad here for the tent is gravel, and it is a real quiet campground here. We stayed here over the weekend. And I plan on coming back to this one sometime in the future, just because it is quiet. They do not have restrooms in this central area right here. You have to go down this road and it wraps back around, and the bathrooms is right through there, about 300 yards. And they have dumpsters there for your trash. This is another quick look at the camp loop. And another look at our campsite. Again, thank you for watching. If you like the content in this video, please hit the like, subscribe, and share button to help us get more content out. And thank you for watching.